BodyViz Sync is a desktop application where you can upload BodyViz files to the BodyViz cloud. This makes them accessible to users of the BodyViz iPad application. It is meant to be installed alongside your BodyViz desktop application. You can share BodyViz files from our content package or even BVFs that you have made yourself. Let's start looking at some of the features BodyViz Sync has to offer. To use BodyViz Sync, you will need to sign in using your login information. You should have an account already created with BodyViz. If you do not yet have an account, please contact BodyViz support team at support@bodyviz.com for assistance. Now, let's look at the main Sync interface. BodyViz Sync utilizes the computer's mouse and keyboard to navigate the user interface. This clip is showing the software with BodyViz files already loaded in. However, yours will appear blank if you have not yet added any BodyViz files. We will be going over how to add in BodyViz files to your software later in the video. In the left-hand column, the studies list displays all of the BVFs that you have loaded into the software. The right-hand side shows study information. By clicking on a BVF, the study information will update to reflect which file you have selected. Within the menu bar, there are a few important functions. Under File, you will find options to add BodyViz files into the software. Under Edit, there are options to manage your account and group users. Finally, under Help, there are useful resources, such as the Sync User Manual. It's time to add some BodyViz files into the program. We can do this by selecting File and then Import BVF. Next, you need to find the BodyViz file that you would like to import. In this video, we will be adding a BVF from our interactive anatomy content, but you can use any BodyViz file that you have available. Once you have located your desired file, click Open to add it into the software. All of the default information will be the same as it was in the My BodyViz library. You can change any of the study information. The most powerful portion to edit is the description section. Here, you can give students additional information, directions, or create a whole new activity that students can complete on the iPad, such as a case study. Now that we have looked at how to add a BodyViz file into the software, let's take a look at how to send them to your students. In the top left corner, click on the group icon to open up the group management window. Here is where you will be able to access any groups that you have set up with the BodyViz support team. Again, if you need help with this process, please contact BodyViz support. The email information is linked in the bio. Generally, if your school has several different classes using BodyViz, such as Anatomy, Biology 1, and Surgical Instruction, each class will have its own group to allow direct administration of BodyViz files to specific classes. Using this drop-down, you are able to take a look at what groups you have on your Sync account. Select a group to start editing its contents. Here is where you can add student emails so that they can access the content you distribute. In the New Email field, type in a student's email address and then click Add to add it into the list of user emails. If you need to remove a student from a group, simply click their email from the list and then Remove. After the semester is over, you can remove all users from the group at once by clicking Remove All. You may add a large list of users by using the Paste List button. To use the Paste List function, copy a list from a Word doc or Excel file and select Paste List from the right side of the group management window. The list is added to user emails. Once you have finished adding students to the group, click OK. Once you've added BVFs and users into the BodyViz Sync software, the BVFs can be published to the BodyViz cloud for members of your group to view and use. This can be accomplished by uploading your study. To upload a study to the BodyViz cloud, begin by selecting the BVF you wish to upload from the studies list. First, make sure that you have the correct group selected that you want to share the BodyViz file with using the drop-down. Click Upload at the bottom of the BodyViz Sync interface. BodyViz Sync will immediately begin to convert it to a proprietary format and upload to the BodyViz cloud. Once the study is completely uploaded, the members of your group will be able to view the study on the BodyViz iPad app. After uploading a study, you may still edit information about the study. Edit information in the BodyViz Sync user interface as normal and then select Update. You must select Update for any changed information to be uploaded to the BodyViz cloud. The topics covered in this video were the BodyViz Sync user interface, adding and editing BVFs in Sync, managing groups in Sync, and uploading to the BodyViz cloud.